What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday, another great start to the week. So I don't have any real updates today because I'm waiting on another part to get in for the Ford to make a video on that, and still waiting till Friday to take the HELLCAT into boost performance for the next set of mods for the HELLCAT. I'll probably do an oil change before it goes there because it definitely needs one, not based off of miles but based off of just time the car's sitting. Definitely needs an oil change. So usually, 3,000 miles or 3 months, whatever comes first, and definitely needs an oil change. So that'll be happening later this week, as well as some more mods on the Ford to come. But big changes to the HELLCAT not coming until Friday, unfortunately. So since I don't have any real updates for you guys today, I decided I would take some time and make a cinematic video for you guys of the Voris garage, minus the Demon and minus the Trackhawk, because the Trackhawk is parked in a separate garage, and well, the Demon isn't here yet. So I just did a little cinematic edit that you guys will see here in just a second, and hope you guys enjoy. I always appreciate the feedback on the cinematic videos because I do them professionally on the side for money. So I'm always looking for feedback and ways to get better, and so I just thought I would practice here on the garage and show you guys it. So here it's gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go.